Seek the Lord and his strength, seek his face evermore. First Chronicles chapter 16 verses 11. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. Hope you're doing well and thank you so much for coming back. Today we're about to prep all our natural spices, which I think it's really important for this holiday season and beyond. Please stay tuned while I walk you through all my favorite natural spices, and I think you're going to benefit so much from this. Let's go. The very first natural seasoning that we are going to use are the Aniseed, known in Chi as nkitinkiti. It's really very important in almost every dish that I make. And the second favorite here is the Rosemary. I just love my rosemary so much. Whether fresh or dry, I just incorporate it in almost every dish that I make. We have that 1 cup of it as well. And here we have a fennel seed, which is very similar to the aniseed. This was recently discovered and I'm just loving it. This can be used in your soup, stews, even in your bakeries. They are so good. And my favorite is also the coriander seed. Some shops you can find it as cilantro seeds as well. It is really important and it has great aroma to all the dishes. And if you're thinking of all-purpose seasoning, this is definitely one of them. Here's some cloves. These cloves are so powerful and very aromatic. You can use it in all your dishes. I use it in my soup, stew, you know, you're making some shito, anything at all, you can use it. And it's also very medicinal as well. This is known in Chi as pepre. And you can also hear lots of people call it prego because it's just shaped like the nail. Yeah, so it's very great for all your dishes, and it also have good health benefits. And last but not the least, we have our grains of selim, which is also known as quintia. This also have lots of medicinal benefit, and it's also used in lots of our local and traditional medicine. So you know what, incorporating in your dishes, you're healthy, you're eating well. Here we have some star anise, which is very strong, hence I'm using just 3 pieces of that. Really love the aroma of this so much because of the husky minty aroma that it has. This anise seed can really overshadow all the other spices, so you have to be careful of the amount that you use. I have here 2 whole nutmegs. Nutmeg is such a plug for me. I love the aroma so much. And yes, that is all that we will be using. And let's go ahead to the next step. How are we going to prep this at all? First of all, I like to spike up all the aromas by toasting it on a low medium heat for about 2 minutes. The cloves as well. It smells so good in here already. They are so amazing. Aromas upon aromas, the flavors upon flavors. So 2 minutes later, I'm just going to take out my nutmeg and the star anise. Its work here has ended. I just wanted to incorporate those flavors here, and I am so glad with the results. Smells so good. So it's now time for me to grind it into a powdered form, and we'll be having our all natural spice blend right now. Like, what can be better than this? Bring a bed the rough. So I figured out that the food processor wasn't doing the job quite well the way I wanted it to be. So I went ahead to use my coffee grinder, and lo and behold, it did a job. Okay, it was smooth and spotless, just the way I want it to be. So good. I was like, this little David killed the whole Goliath. Yes. The coffee grinder is so tiny, but it's so mighty. Look at that. Just have a look at that. It's so perfect for the job. So if you've not gotten one yet, I think you should have one at home. It is amazing. Have these cores left. So all that you have to do is keep on grinding, grind until everything is completely done. Okay. Final result is ready. Looks so good and smells even amazing. You cannot compare this to the ones that we sell in the market at all. This is homemade, made with lots of love, and it's also very healthy as well. You have to try this, fam. Just make your holiday a spectacular one. And yes, this is the cost that we got from grinding it, and I'm not going to throw it away. No. If we have our powdered version, we should have the paste or the wet version as well. So I'll be using some ginger and garlic and some habanero pepper. That's all, family, and the cost as well. So I'll go ahead and cut the ginger into smaller pieces and blend it with a bit of water. Voila, we have our ginger paste ready to be used anytime that we need in our dishes. There you have it. It's so easy, and you're going to love this so much, especially now that we will be cooking a lot. Go ahead and blend my garlic as well and turn it into a garlic paste. So easy. You need to try this, family. It is going to save you lots of time, money, whole lot of peace of mind. Just check this out. Fam, you need to try this, okay? So just look at that, looking super pretty. I thought of mismatching everything by adding some ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper, and some of the cores that I had from grinding the all natural spice. Okay, I call this the super mix. It is so good, and it's ready to be in your soup, stews, you name it. Okay, it is so important to have this, and I really hope you try this, family. We are almost done. All that you have to do is to put them into the cubes and freeze it overnight, and you are ready to use it any time of the day that you'll be cooking. Right now, all is done, and you need to also cover it just so that it does not exchange with any other aroma in your fridge. And it's the next day, and they have frozen well. I'm going to take them out from the ice cubes, and I'll store it into my plastic bags. And yes, we are ready to use it whenever we want. It is super great, and I'm super happy about the results. I really hope you enjoy this, and be sure to also cover it well, close it well. Yes, the powdered one has to definitely be stored into an airtight container, just so that it does not lose any of that beautiful aroma that comes with it. It's just so good. As usual, we Africans, we are big on spices, and I always recommend that if you want to spice up your food, it should be natural. It is healthy, and it is also very inexpensive when you make it this way. Okay, thank you so very much, family, for watching right till the end. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.